Alrighty, my name is Yero Rincon, and I'm going to do this in a fast-paced mode because I know I only have 5 minutes to present these two offenders. Her name is Luciana Abbiati. She's an absconder fugitive on probation for a felony. Her location is unknown, but she was last seen in Broward County. These are her aliases. And what I did was I basically started searching, and I started looking up all the resources you gave us to find, and I found Saba Search. After finding Saba Search, I noticed that this website in particular gives us the name of the relatives of the individual, the location, and even some information about the phone numbers. The place that she worked at with that was Lead Logic was useless because I looked and looked and I couldn't find anything for her. I searched too many times and I couldn't find. I started searching all these names on Google and on Facebook and on white pages, and I confirmed that they are relatives and that this is her because of the criminal traffic records. And her criminal and traffic records. I also used websites like Truthfinder and Intellius that I found useful to a certain point. And then finally, I actually used Facebook. How did I do this? I actually I went to Facebook. I clicked on I typed in her name. I found her. And then after I found her, I noticed that it was her because of a specific beauty mark. After that, her friends are unavailable. You cannot see them. But so I started typing in the names of her relatives, which I already had. I typed in a specific name called Gustavo Abbiati. And this gentleman right here led me to Alicia de Marco Abbiati, which I believe is the mother of Luciana. This lady posted a picture March 24th, 2019, where she confirms that that's her daughter because of a post that she made answering to this gentleman, Lucy, my daughter. This information can actually be used for further investigation, and you can see that she is perfectly fine with her family in 2019, and that's very interesting because she should be going to her probation. All right, now I found Jack Adcock. This individual right here is an unknown, is a drug offender on probation. His location is also unknown, and he was last seen on Polk County. I do not know where Polk County is. I do not know. I'm not familiar with Florida because I'm from Venezuela. I just moved. So I started looking up everything on Polk County. Polk County includes Lakeland and all those things. After looking him up several times, I noticed I looked on Saba Search again, and I found that Polk County, included Lakeland, Virginia, and Lakeland actually. But his location was Middletown, Ohio, so I found that very interesting. After looking up the relatives that popped up, I found Lisa Troxel, which is a 85-year-old individual, which I presume is probably his mother, or he has a maternal relationship with this lady, and she's also located in Ohio. So I found this very interesting. I started looking up on Cluster Maps. This is a website that I found super useful, and I found Jack William Adcock, located on Middletown, age 50, and he actually owns, his current address is 4114 Jewel Avenue, Middletown, Ohio 45042, and his phone number is it would pop up over here. He has all these phone numbers where you can actually locate him. All this information was found on Cluster Maps, which states his high school, his current occupation as a craftsman in blue color, which confirmed that it was him because of all of the crafts and all of the things that he posts on his Facebook. Obviously, I couldn't notice because it was private, but I did get most of my information on these websites. I hope you find this useful, and And I hope I did a good job. Alrighty. Thank you so much. Oh, this is where I got the information from Lisa Troxel.